Hello and welcome to all over the world wherever they're watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing my videos. Thank you so much. Right, anyone who is not here before, um, my IPv4 addressing videos are going to be in my networking fundamentals playlist. So you can check that through my YouTube channel. And people who are following me and who are following IPv4 addressing, thank you so much, and for practicing yourself as well and giving me a chance as well to become a part of your studies and become a part of your life somewhere somehow, and polishing myself as well along with you. So right, anyone who is in the uni doing IPv4 addressing, so binary conversions, IPv4 addressing. Um, so there's octal and there's hexadecimal conversions, and probably in the uni they might not be learning a lot more about IPv4 unless they are in networks related field, advanced networks, or they are studying advanced networks. I think it will be very useful for them. And anyone who is doing CCNA or N plus, for them this might be quite useful. Yeah, so there we go. So once we see a lot of diagrams around, diagrams, yeah, and we see during our diagrams what happens is we are looking at an IP address which says /32, and then we have another IP address saying /31, then we have another IP address saying /8, and there's different diagrams in which there's switches and routers and PCs and laptops, and you are wondering, hold on, what does that slash mean in this one? So anyone and everyone, this is usually called the CIDR notation. So we call CIDR. So this is a CIDR notation here. So how would we convert it? So that's the question. And usually it's displayed with subnet masks as well. So in IPv4, as if you don't know what I'm talking about, you can see my videos in the playlists which I have done before. So here what we really need to do is be very careful. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a mask. When I say mask, I say subnet mask. So 255.255.255. Now once I have to convert it into a slash notation, supposedly, so that's an equivalent of /32 there. So how it is /32, I'll let you know now. So this one is the first octet. My way of telling or explaining might be a bit weird to you, but this is how I have learned. It's more easier to understand it first and then do what you want to do with it. So first we break it into octets. So /32, how does it come in, and what's this? So right, that's a first octet, that's a second octet, that's a third octet, that's a fourth octet. So when we have defined our octets, then what you usually do is we look for the bits. So how many bits are inside? So that's first octet, which is a byte. And a byte, when you break it up, it becomes byte, break up, break up, break up. It becomes 8 bits. Thank you. So 1 byte is equivalent to 8 bits. Remember, remember, remember. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So similarly, 8, and then we put 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And similarly, then we put 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And similarly, we put 8 here. So remember, /32 mask is not used a lot. It's used very, 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 very less because it only gives you one address per subnet. So just to let you know, this is not going to be a very common mask, but just to let you know that this is how you break it up. So slash notation, which is called CIDR notation as well. So once you see, if you get a question in the exam, so slash 32, so what will be the subnet mask of it? Or if someone gives you a subnet mask, and what would be the slash notation of it? So breaking the slash notation, what we got to do is, first we got to break them into 4 octets. So once it's broken up it is broken up into 4 octets. So then you see what is happening here. Now, I mean, we have allocated the bits as well, 8 bits, 8 bits, 8 bits. Now, the main part, how does this slash 32 come in? So add all of these, adds all the bits, easy peasy, 1, 2, and there we go, that's 32, and that's our slash 32 mask. I mean, in the books it might have been explained in a different way, and sometimes you're like, oh, what's happening here? This is not even a concept worth looking, but it will really speed up your bits. So now, just to let you know that this is classed as binary notation as well. So if your question is, you have to break slash 32 into binary notation, which is this. That's all the binary notation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bits, 8 bits. That's the binary notation. These are the octets here. So similarly, 1 byte is 8 bits. And then this is how it is added up to slash 32 here. But remember, because this is all ones here, it will only give you one available address per subnet. So what is it? One available address per subnet. By all means, practice. Well, if my writing was a bit better, right? So if you carry on doing practice, it will be really good. But my suggestion is that you go start practicing every slash notation that you see, especially slash 25, slash 26, slash 27. Whatever you can get your hands on, you can use the internet and other bits and pieces, and try to practice them again and again and again. I'll see you in my next video with the slash notations, and then we'll pop up back to our IPv4 subnetting. Ta-da! Bye bye.